19 deep intimate things that men do and women love. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever pondered about those deep intimate actions that truly resonate with women? Well, today we're diving into the heart of what builds genuine intimacy and connection. These aren't your typical surface level gestures. These are the profound things that men do that women absolutely cherish. And by the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of how to nurture and cultivate a meaningful bond with the woman that you care about. Ready to elevate your connection to levels you've never experienced before? Let's unravel these secrets together. Forehead kisses. Seen as a pure and endearing gesture that many women adore. A kiss on the forehead often feels nurturing and tender. It's perceived as a gesture that's free from lust but filled with genuine affection and care. For many women, a forehead kiss feels protective and signals a deeper level of closeness in the relationship. Deep listening, giving her undivided attention when she speaks, showing genuine interest in her words. Communication is the bedrock of any relationship. And when a man truly listens, putting away distractions, making eye contact, and engaging in the conversation, it shows a woman that she is valued, heard, and important. This deep form of listening fosters trust and an emotional bond, assuring her that her words and feelings matter. Holding hands in public. A simple gesture, but it signifies connection and pride in the relationship. Physical touch, especially in a public setting, can be a potent way to show connection. Holding hands isn't just about the physical contact. It's a silent proclamation that you are proud to be with her and that you value the bond that you share. It's a protective, comforting gesture that many women find reassuring. Spontaneous compliments. Not just on looks, but her intelligence, strength, and other qualities. While compliments about appearance are always nice to receive, compliments that highlight her qualities, achievements, and strengths can be even more impactful. When a man acknowledges and praises her for the things beyond her physical, it demonstrates a deeper appreciation and a respect for who she is as a person. Preparing a meal together. The act of cooking side by side can be an intimate bonding experience. Cooking together is a collaborative effort where both partners get to create something beautiful and delicious as a team. It becomes an avenue for playful banter, shared responsibilities, and the joy of accomplishment. For many women, this shared activity is a metaphor for partnership in the relationship, indicating that you both can face challenges and enjoy triumphs together. Handwritten notes. In an age of digital communication, a handwritten note can be a touching surprise. While technology has made communication easier and more immediate, a handwritten note stands out as a heartfelt gesture in today's digital age. Whether it's a love note, a simple thank you note, or a quick thinking of you message, the effort taken to pen down one's emotions and feelings can make it special and personal. Remembering small details. Recalling her likes, dislikes, or stories that she shared can show her she's truly valued. When a man remembers the little things, her favourite song, a story she told weeks ago, or how she likes her coffee, it shows that he genuinely listens and cares. For many women, this attention to detail speaks volumes about his level of investment in the relationship. Taking care when she's sick. Bringing her soup, medicine, or just providing comfort can be deeply touching. In sickness, one can feel vulnerable and weak. When a man steps up to offer care and comfort during these times, it not only provides physical relief, but emotional support too. Bringing soup or medicine is not just about the act itself, but the sentiment behind it, that he's there for her in the good times and the bad. Sharing vulnerabilities. Opening up about fears, dreams, and personal stories can build deeper trust. When a man allows himself to be vulnerable, it creates a safe space for deep emotional connection. By sharing his own insecurities, hopes, and life experiences, he invites his partner into his world. For many women, this level of trust fosters a sense of security and understanding in the relationship. Dancing together. Even with two left feet, taking her to a dance or just dancing in the living room can be intimate. Now, dancing isn't just about the steps or the rhythm, it's about two people connecting without words. Even if neither of you is a seasoned dancer, the act of holding each other close, laughing at missteps, and simply just enjoying the moment can be deeply romantic. It's a chance to let go of inhibitions and simply be present with one another. Planning date nights. Taking the initiative to set up regular dates keeps that spark alive. Date nights are crucial for maintaining intimacy and excitement in a relationship. By taking the initiative to plan special outings or evenings, it shows that the relationship remains a priority and that there's a desire to continue creating special memories together. Whether it's a fancy night out or a quiet evening in, the gesture signifies commitment and effort. Random acts of kindness. Small gestures like warming up her car in the winter or bringing her favourite snack can mean a lot. It's the little things that often leave the biggest impact, and by performing these acts of kindness, a man showcases his thoughtfulness and attentiveness to his partner's comfort and happiness. Such gestures, though seemingly minor, are profound expressions of love and care. Creating rituals together. Having a specific show that you watch together or a monthly date night can create shared memories. Routine doesn't have to mean mundane. Creating shared rituals or habits can be a unique way to bond. Whether it's catching the latest episode of a beloved series or reserving the last Friday of the month for a special date night, these rituals become moments both look forwards to. They are a testament to the couple's commitment to spend quality time together and build a reservoir of shared memories. Eye contact. Holding her gaze, especially during conversations, can create an intense bond. Eye contact is one of the most powerful forms of non-verbal communication. It suggests attentiveness, understanding, and sincerity. When a man maintains eye contact, especially during deep conversations, it shows he's truly present and values the connection. It creates a sense of being seen and understood, reinforcing the bond between the two. Supporting her ambitions. Being her cheerleader in her endeavours can be an intimate way of showing love. Support is a pillar of any strong relationship, and when a man actively supports his partner's dreams, aspirations, and ambitions, it sends a powerful message that I believe in you. This backing not only strengthens her resolve, but also deepens her trust and appreciation for her partner, knowing he stands by her side no matter what. Random hugs. Embracing her without a specific reason can provide comfort and show affection. The warmth of a spontaneous embrace can melt away the stresses of the day. A random hug without any particular reason is a simple yet profound gesture that says, I'm here for you. It's a momentary escape, a sanctuary of comfort and love that can make all the difference in how she feels. Listening to music together. Sharing headphones or introducing each other to favourite songs can be a bonding experience. Music has a unique power to evoke emotions and memories. Sharing a pair of headphones or playing a song that holds personal significance can be an intimate way of letting someone into your world. Through the melodies and lyrics, couples can share stories, reminisce about past experiences, or even create new memories. It's a rhythmic journey of discovery where both individuals get to understand each other's tastes and emotional landscapes. Reading aloud. Whether it's a book, a poem, or an article, the act can be surprisingly intimate. The act of reading aloud is a vulnerable one. It's sharing a piece of art or knowledge and at the same time revealing a part of oneself. The tones, inflections, and pauses can give insights into how someone feels. For the listener, it's a moment to appreciate the vulnerability and enjoy the warmth of their partner's voice. Whether it's a romantic poem, an intriguing article, or a chapter from a novel, the shared experience can be both enlightening and deeply connecting. Running errands together. Turning mundane tasks into shared activities can be a way of spending quality time. While errands like grocery shopping or picking up laundry might seem trivial, turning them into joint activities can be an unexpected opportunity for bonding. It's about transforming mundane tasks into moments of teamwork, communication, and shared laughs over minor everyday hitches. It reinforces the idea that even the most ordinary moments can become special when shared with the right person. Touch without expectation. Sometimes a simple touch or caress without expecting anything more can be deeply intimate and reassuring. Physical intimacy isn't always about passion. Sometimes the most intimate touches are the ones without an ulterior motive. A gentle hand on the back, a soft caress of the face, or just intertwining fingers. These gestures, devoid of any expectations, are pure in their intent, conveying love, comfort, and a sense of togetherness. So you just touched on deep connections. Now uncover the way that she greets you when she likes you, or recognize the subtle signs of physical attraction. Your next step awaits. Love the video? Give a thumbs up, comment your experiences, and subscribe for more.